very warm welcome. Today we have brought to you career-oriented program on full stack Java development. As you all know, there are a lot of companies who hire full stack developers with Java programming language as the base. So our today's objective is to have a discussion on American Express. American Express is a world largest credit card company. You all would have heard about Amex cards, which is quite popular. So American Express hires full stack Java developers. Let's explore what are their requirements. So American Express, just to have a quick brief, is a global services company that provides consumers and businesses with exceptional access to products, insights, and experiences that enrich lives and build business success. They make it easier, safer, and more rewarding for consumers and businesses to purchase the things they need, for merchants to sell their goods and services through innovative payment, travel, and expense management solutions. So, working at American Express brings you a lot of experience. So, now what we have to understand about why they do need Java full stack developers. So American Express is embarking on an exciting transformation driven by an energetic new team of high performers. This group is nimble and creative with the power to shape technology and product roadmap. If you have the talent and desire to deliver innovative payment products and services at a rapid pace, serving our customers seamlessly across physical, digital, mobile, and social media, you can join that transformation team. So American Express engineers, the technology team, they work on several exciting products. They are responsible for development and management of business critical platforms. So if you want to join American Express as a full stack Java developer, what will be your responsibilities? So when it comes to responsibilities, let's have a quick discussion about what kind of responsibilities are required. So the responsibility of a full stack developer is to drive user story analysis, elaborate, design, and develop software applications, tested and build automation tools. So that's what is the primary requirement of a full stack developer at American Express. When it comes to technical aspects, you need to understand architecture, design, and development of systems. You also need to work hands-on software development where you will be spending 50% of the time writing code, API specifications. You have to build up proof of concepts, prototype tools. Then you have to conduct code reviews and you have to test ongoing sprints. So American Express, they follow agility and they work on large scale agile development wherein a lot of sprints are there. You need to create the sprints, push the sprints and test the sprints. Sprints is something like a unit code which is pushed onto the agile methodology. Then it drives consistent development practices. You need to understand about tools and common components. You also need to develop deep understanding with the systems and platforms within the supported domains by American Express. You also will be working with technical product managers where you have to contribute blueprints. You have to assist them with annual planning of feature sets. You also need to identify opportunities to adapt new technology to solve existing needs of the consumers and predict future challenges. You need to effectively communicate with internal and external business partners on solution designs, and you also need to mentor other engineers working on the platform. So these are some of the core responsibility of a full stack developer is when you work in a company like American Express, those who are keen to design payment solutions, travel and maintenance solutions for consumers worldwide. Now, the main purpose of a full stack developer is to create more powerful and personal customer experience by designing and developing relevant software applications. So that's what is the major requirement which a full stack developer needs to address when they join American Express. Now, what could be the business outcomes? The major business outcomes would be the success. You need to understand the business needs and design high quality software. You also need to use technology to solve existing business needs and predict future challenges. Now, what are the requirements for a full stack developer in a large company like American Express? So guys, you need to understand that if you want to work in American Express as a full stack developer, you need to have basic minimum qualification, which is 2 to 5 years of experience. Now, if I call about 2 years of experience, you guys need to understand that, let's say if you are in college, how can you make up to a company like American Express? So right from your third year, you can start working on technologies like Java, J2EE in an internship level environment, which Hackveda provides you. So what you can do is you can join our curriculum. You can work on real-time software applications development to design and deliver payment methodologies and payment products. These are innovative payment solutions. There's prototype solutions which American Express offers worldwide to a large pool of consumers. And during your phase of third year and final year, you can undergo a course and then you will be working on real-time innovative payment solution products so that you gain the relevant 2 year minimum experience so as to apply to American Express. So let's say if you are in third year, you can start with our course. You can take up this Java program. We have got a complete program of approximately 1.3, 1 year, 3 months, which I'm going to discuss in detail as soon as we progress further in this demonstration. So now you need to join the program, and right from the day you join the program, you will be working on different fundamentals which is required for this profile. And then post completion of your training program, you will be working on an internship with us so that you gain a complete experience of 2 years while being into college. And as soon as you come out of the college, you become an experienced professional with at least 2 years of experience. Now it's not mandatory that you need to be in third year. In case if you are in second year, in case if you are in first year, you know basics of Java, or you want to start from Java and you want to build innovative applications with payments, you can also join the program. So students being into first year of education, second year of education, third year and final year, all can join this program, and you can learn all the fundamentals required and you can apply for the jobs at American Express for full stack development with Java. Now, so one of the things which you will be understanding during the program will be the Agile framework, wherein you will understand what sprints are and how you can collaborate with a large team to design the products. Moreover, Agile framework is the design, development, and testing methodology which American Express follows. You also need to have knowledge of multi-threaded programming, good knowledge of data structures, web services technology. So all these things will be covered during this training program which we are offering you. Now, this is for those students, those who are under bachelor's degree of computer science or equivalent like electronics, communication, and engineering. In fact, mechanical students with the knowledge of programming language can opt in for this program and can prepare their career towards becoming a full stack developer at a company like American Express. Now, if I take you further, here you all can observe you need to have strong analytical and strategic thinking skills. You should be able to interpret business objectives and challenges. You should also be porting software configurations. You need to understand agile methodologies. You also need to understand software development and testing life cycles. You also need to understand object-oriented analysis, and you should be able to develop products across multiple platforms. And finally, you need to make a product which is highly available to a large pool of consumers, because millions and billions of transactions happen at American Express at an instance of time. So your application should be highly scalable. They should be highly available to a large pool of audience. Now, what is the preferred requirement? So you should have product engineering knowledge. You should have knowledge about payment technologies. You also should have knowledge about different platforms of payments, e-commerce, supply chain management, and this is the preferred education which is required for professional jobs like full stack developer. Now, when it comes to technical platforms, what all you guys need to learn? You guys need to have the knowledge about Java, Java Enterprise Edition, Spring Boot, Spring Model View Controller. You also need to understand both kind of databases like relational databases and non-relational databases, which is included in the course. You need to understand AngularJS, React, and Node.js, which falls under full stack web development of our program. We also includes RESTful APIs like JSON, JavaScript object notation. You should understand messaging systems like Solus, Kafka, JMS, which we cover in Big Data Management, Hadoop, and MapReduce course. You also need to understand version control like Git, Bitbucket, SVN, and you also have great exposure with Stack Overflow. Then you should be able to understand platforms for continuous integration like Jenkins, Bamboo, Maven, XLR, Mockito, SoapUI, JMeter. All of these tools and integration source control tools are covered in the program which we are offering. You also need to understand about infrastructure automation with Puppet, Chef, and Ansible. You also need to understand about container concepts used in cloud like Docker and LXD. Orchestration tool like Kubernetes, Mesos, Swarm is a great add-on to the knowledge which needs to be available in a full stack developer. You also need to understand about test automation, DevOps, and test-driven development. That is one of the important things when it comes to this kind of profiles. Now, as far as the behavioral ethics are concerned, you should have the enterprise leadership behavior. You should be able to work, build the best team. You should be able to seek and provide coaching, feedback, and make collaboration with other team members so as to have a valuable product ready. Now, this is a full-time and part-time opportunity available. This kind of opportunities are recently available at American Express. So you can see that the jobs were posted recently on 23rd March 2020. So if you guys think that you have all these skills, you can come to our website and you can directly apply now. Moreover, in case if you don't think you have the right skills or if you have some missing skills, what you can do is you can get started with Hackveda online with a placement oriented training program for full stack developer Java at American Express. We're offering this program at instructor-led corporate classrooms, which will be available post the lockdown. But if you guys want to start as of now, because we have the upcoming batches available with this week, so you can start with us learning online, as well as we have an option of video-based self-learning, wherein you can learn through the recorded videos and you can ask your queries with our mentors using our Trello platform. Now, I would like to tell you what all will be covered in this course. So our course we are offering, it is a 1.5 month, 1.3 month program wherein you will be learning for 1 year, 3 months. So let's say if you are in third year, you can start right from now. You can complete your complete curriculum within 1 year, 3 months, and then you can continue an internship of 6 months with us so that you complete your 2-year experience. You can join this course at a very minimum cost of 1,75,232. And now I would like to let you know what all things will be covered within this program. So now, in order to quickly let you all know what all modules and courses we are covering within this complete package of 1.3 year, we are covering the following programs wherein we start with the basics in Java programming language, which is the requirement. You will be learning core Java programming with standard edition 8. You also will be learning Java programming core with standard edition 11 and 13, which is the latest version. Then we'll take you to full stack web development, wherein you will be working with Angular and Node.js. In case if you think you have already a little exposure of full stack development like Angular and Node, and you want to excel with respect to creating innovative payment solutions with full stack, you can also opt in for a short-term course with us. Now, then you will be working towards digital marketing technology so that you will be able to create full stack products with digital marketing included into the solution so that you can globally market the product at the same time while you're building your applications. Moreover, in case if you have some experience of digital marketing already in advance, you can take up short-term program of digital marketing with us, and you can integrate digital marketing solutions with your full stack applications. Now, in this, once you create the full stack applications, you need to deploy your applications on cloud platforms. So we are covering AWS Solution Architect Associate Complete program is also available. If you have any idea about cloud computing previously, like Azure or AWS, you can also take up a short-term program with us. That's an alternative 26 classes program available at 10,874. Individually, you can take this. Any of these programs listed on the screen as of now can be opted individually, as well as you can take all these programs collectively also so that you can gain the appropriate 1.3 or 2 years experience with us. Now, What all you also need to understand Oracle 19c database administrator, which is the relational databases, which we cover during the course. When it comes to non-relational databases, we cover that in full stack web development, wherein you will be working on MongoDB and various other high big data databases wherein non-structured data is stored. You will also be learning with modern techniques, which are now included with full stack web development program. So we have included that also in this program. Now, once you guys are done with that, now you will be proceeding towards the advanced concepts. When it comes to advanced concepts, you guys will be learning Java Spring, Java Hibernate, and Java Spring Boot, which is desired for this particular program. You can individually take in Java Spring Boot for 4 classes at 1673 online only. As well as we have included data analytics program also with this, so that you will be able to research the latest technologies with respect to innovative payment solutions which are required. Then using that data analysis, you can build up a full stack product, you can market the product, and you can show your great solutions to the company. Now, in order to process large data, we have included big data with Hadoop and MapReduce. And finally, once you guys are done with all the requirements for this kind of profile for full stack developer, then you will undergo a module with data structures for interviews program, wherein you will be working on competitive challenges so that you will be able to solve the interview based questions asked at American Express. So this is an overall program which we are offering. So this is a great opportunity that you guys can quickly buy a complete package to become a full stack developer with Java as the base programming language, and all other complementary is required in a duration of 1.3 year. Once you complete your training duration of 1.3 year, you can continue an internship of approximately 6 to 9 months with us, so that you can complete a 2-year experience along with us, and you will be ready to apply as full stack developers for similar companies like American Express. So I hope you all have got all the information which is required to become a full stack developer at American Express. In order to register for the program, you guys can quickly proceed to register now button. You can quickly view all these individual courses available on the list. You can buy any individual course. In case if you want to buy a complete package, which is recommended, because you will gain a complete 2-year experience and you will be treated as an experienced professional post college when you apply for a company. So in order to register for the program, you can quickly click on register now. Once you reach to register now page, you have to provide in your name, email ID, and mobile number. You can quickly click on register now. Our team will get back to you to solve your technical and sales queries and to get your admission done. In case if you want to ask any technical queries related to any course, you can write us a message on Talk to Mentor. In case if you have any sales query, you can quickly push your message on WhatsApp or on Facebook Messenger with us, and our team will be pretty happy to help you out in order to become a full stack developer Java at a company like American Express. So the program which we're offering is a training program of 1.3 year at 1,75,232 only, inclusive of all the taxes. And post that, you go for a free internship of approximately 6 to 9 months, so that you gain an overall experience of 2 years with Hackveda Limited, and you will become an experienced full stack developer Java professional, so that you can apply to large scale companies like American Express. Thank you so much for watching.